Are you dreaming of a fresh start in a new state, but overwhelmed by the choices? Whether you crave the vibrant city life, serene natural beauty, or a family-friendly community, we've got you covered. We're counting down the top states in the USA to call home. Stick around to discover which states offer the best quality of life, job opportunities, and lifestyle perks that could make your next move the best one yet. Let's kick off our list with Utah. Known for its stunning natural landscapes and vibrant communities, Utah offers a unique blend of outdoor adventure and urban convenience. Utah is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Utah's diverse landscapes, including 5 national parks and numerous state parks, provide endless outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and skiing. The state's commitment to preserving its natural beauty ensures sustainable recreation. Utah also boasts a robust economy with low unemployment rates and diverse job opportunities in tech, healthcare, education, and tourism. The state consistently ranks high in economic stability and growth. Utahns enjoy a high quality of life, with excellent healthcare, low crime rates, and top-rated educational institutions. Utah has a strong public school system, along with reputable universities like the University of Utah and Brigham Young University. While housing prices have risen in recent years, Utah remains relatively affordable compared to other high-quality-of-life states. Residents benefit from reasonable living costs, combined with high median household incomes. From the lively arts scene in Salt Lake City to the unique cultural festivals throughout the state, Utah offers a rich cultural experience. The state is also home to a diverse and welcoming population. If you're seeking a place that combines economic opportunity, natural beauty, and a strong sense of community, Utah might just be the perfect state for you. Next up on our list is New Hampshire. Nestled in the heart of New England, New Hampshire is a hidden gem that offers a perfect blend of picturesque landscapes, historic charm, and modern convenience. New Hampshire is renowned for its stunning natural scenery, from the White Mountains to its beautiful lakes and coastal beaches. It's a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering year-round activities like hiking, skiing, boating, and leaf peeping during the fall. It also takes pride in its excellent educational system. With high-ranking public schools and prestigious institutions like Dartmouth College, the state offers top-notch educational opportunities for families and students. Safety is a significant factor when choosing a place to live, and New Hampshire consistently ranks as one of the safest states in the nation. Its low crime rates provide peace of mind for residents. One of the most appealing aspects of living in New Hampshire is its favorable tax environment. The state has neither a state income tax nor a sales tax, making it financially attractive for both individuals and businesses. Its combination of scenic beauty, vibrant communities, and access to quality healthcare, New Hampshire offers an exceptional quality of life. The state is known for its small-town charm, friendly residents, and a strong sense of community. While New Hampshire offers the tranquility of rural and suburban living, it is also conveniently located near major metropolitan areas. Cities like Boston, Massachusetts, and Portland, Maine, are within easy driving distance, providing residents with access to additional employment, cultural, and recreational opportunities without the need to live in a large city. This proximity offers residents the best of both worlds: serenity at home and access to urban amenities just a short drive away. If you're looking for a state that offers a balanced lifestyle, excellent education, and a safe, welcoming environment, New Hampshire should definitely be on your radar. Now, let's head to the heartland and shine a spotlight on Nebraska. Often overlooked, Nebraska is a state that offers a wealth of opportunities and a high quality of life. Nebraska boasts a diverse and resilient economy with key industries in agriculture, manufacturing, finance, and healthcare. The state enjoys low unemployment rates and ample job opportunities, making it a great place for career growth. One of Nebraska's most appealing features is its affordability. Housing costs, utilities, and everyday expenses are relatively low, allowing residents to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Nebraskans enjoy a high quality of life with access to top-rated schools and a strong sense of community. The state's low crime rate and friendly atmosphere make it an ideal place to raise a family. Nebraska offers diverse natural landscapes, from the rolling sandhills to the scenic Platte River. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore numerous parks, hiking trails, and recreational areas. If you're looking for a state with a strong economy, affordable living, and a welcoming community, Nebraska might just be the perfect place to call home. Moving on to the land of 10,000 lakes, Minnesota is our next top pick. Known for its vibrant culture, excellent quality of life, and stunning natural beauty, Minnesota stands out as one of the best states to live in the USA. Minnesota consistently ranks high in quality of life metrics, including healthcare, education, and safety. The state's strong emphasis on community well-being and public services ensures a high standard of living for its residents. With a diverse economy that includes strong sectors in healthcare, technology, finance, and manufacturing, Minnesota offers abundant job opportunities and a low unemployment rate. Major corporations like Target, 3M, and General Mills are headquartered here, providing a robust job market. Minnesota is home to some of the best educational institutions in the country, from top-rated public schools to prestigious universities like the University of Minnesota. The state's commitment to education is reflected in its high graduation rates and well-funded schools. Minnesota's nickname, Land of 10,000 Lakes, is well-deserved. The state offers endless opportunities for outdoor recreation, including boating, fishing, hiking, and skiing. Stunning state parks, the Boundary Waters Canoe Area, and the iconic Lake Superior coastline make it a nature lover's paradise. From the bustling twin cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul to charming small towns, Minnesota boasts a rich cultural scene. Residents enjoy world-class theaters, museums, music festivals, and a diverse culinary landscape. If you're seeking a state that combines economic opportunity, educational excellence, natural beauty, and a strong sense of community, Minnesota is definitely a top contender. Now, let's explore Idaho, a state that has been gaining recognition for its natural beauty, thriving economy, and high quality of life. Idaho is known for its breathtaking scenery, from the rugged Sawtooth Mountains to the serene lakes and rivers. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy activities like hiking, fishing, and whitewater rafting in some of the country's most beautiful settings. Idaho offers an affordable cost of living with reasonable housing prices, low taxes, and overall lower expenses compared to many other states. This affordability makes it an attractive destination for families and retirees alike. Idaho boasts a strong and diverse economy. The state's business-friendly environment, low unemployment rate, and job growth make it a great place for career opportunities. Residents of Idaho enjoy a high quality of life, with access to excellent healthcare, top-rated schools, and safe communities. The state's low crime rates and clean environment contribute to a comfortable and secure lifestyle. Boise, Idaho's capital, is emerging as a vibrant tech hub, attracting startups and tech professionals from across the country. This growth brings innovation, job opportunities, and a dynamic urban experience to the region. Beyond its natural beauty, Idaho offers numerous recreational opportunities, from vibrant arts and cultural events to unique local festivals. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or enjoying the local culture, there's always something to do. If you're looking for a state with affordable living, abundant natural beauty, and a welcoming community, Idaho might just be the perfect place for you. Next on our list is Iowa, a state that offers a wonderful blend of small-town charm, vibrant communities, and robust economic opportunities. Iowa is known for its low cost of living, making it an attractive option for families, young professionals, and retirees. Housing is particularly affordable, and everyday expenses are lower compared to many other states. With a diverse economy rooted in agriculture, manufacturing, education, and healthcare, Iowa boasts a low unemployment rate and numerous job opportunities. The state is also seeing growth in tech and renewable energy sectors. Iowa consistently ranks high in quality of life, including healthcare, safety, and education. The state's clean environment, low crime rates, and well-maintained public services contribute to a comfortable and secure lifestyle. Iowa takes pride in its top-rated educational system, from highly regarded public schools to esteemed universities like the University of Iowa and Iowa State University. Iowa's picturesque landscapes include rolling farmlands, scenic rivers, and beautiful parks. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy activities such as hiking, fishing, and biking in the state's many recreational areas. Iowa is an ideal place for families, offering safe neighborhoods, quality schools, and plenty of family-oriented activities. The state's emphasis on family values and community involvement creates a nurturing environment for children. If you're looking for a state that combines affordability, strong community ties, and a high quality of life, Iowa should definitely be on your radar. Next, let's take a look at Vermont, a state renowned for its stunning landscapes, strong sense of community, and high quality of life. Vermont's picturesque scenery includes lush forests, rolling hills, and charming small towns. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy skiing in the Green Mountains, hiking on scenic trails, and exploring beautiful lakes and rivers. Vermont consistently ranks high in quality of life metrics, including healthcare, education, and safety. The state's clean air, low crime rates, and well-maintained public services contribute to a comfortable and secure lifestyle. Vermont is known for its tight-knit, welcoming communities. The state's small-town charm and emphasis on community involvement make it easy for newcomers to feel at home and build lasting connections. Vermont is a leader in sustainability and environmental stewardship. The state prioritizes clean energy, organic farming, and local food movements, making it an ideal place for those who value eco-friendly living. If you're looking for a state with beautiful natural surroundings, a strong sense of community, and a high quality of life, Vermont might just be the perfect place for you. Now let's head to the Pacific Northwest and explore Washington, a state celebrated for its diverse landscapes and thriving economy. Washington's breathtaking scenery ranges from the rugged coastline and lush rainforests of the Olympic Peninsula to the majestic Cascade Mountains and serene Puget Sound. Outdoor enthusiasts will find endless opportunities for hiking, skiing, boating, and exploring national parks. Washington boasts a robust economy with key industries in technology, aerospace, healthcare, and agriculture. Home to major companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Boeing, the state offers numerous job opportunities and a strong entrepreneurial spirit. Washington residents enjoy a high quality of life, with access to excellent healthcare, top-rated schools, and safe communities. The state's emphasis on sustainability and clean energy also contributes to a healthy and environmentally friendly lifestyle. Washington's mild climate, particularly in the western part of the state, is a major draw for those who prefer temperate weather. While the state does receive ample rainfall, it also enjoys moderate temperatures and beautiful, sunny summers. With its diverse landscapes, Washington offers endless outdoor recreational activities. Whether you're skiing in the Cascades, kayaking in the Puget Sound, or hiking in the Olympic National Park, there's always an adventure waiting. If you're seeking a state with a strong economy, diverse cultural offerings, and stunning natural beauty, Washington is an excellent choice. Next on our list is Florida, a state renowned for its sunny weather, beautiful beaches, and diverse culture. Florida's warm, sunny climate is one of its biggest draws. With mild winters and hot summers, residents can enjoy outdoor activities and beach days throughout the year. One of the major financial benefits of living in Florida is the absence of state income tax. This can lead to significant savings, especially for retirees and those with higher incomes. Florida's economy is diverse and growing, with key industries including tourism, healthcare, aerospace, and technology. Major cities like Miami, Orlando, and Tampa offer a variety of job opportunities and career growth potential. The state is home to world-renowned attractions like Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, and the Kennedy Space Center. With its warm climate and natural beauty, Florida promotes an active and healthy lifestyle. Residents can enjoy activities like golfing, biking, tennis, and a wide range of water sports. Florida is a popular destination for retirees thanks to its favorable tax policies, warm weather, and numerous retirement communities. The state's healthcare facilities and senior services are also highly regarded. Florida offers a variety of educational opportunities, from highly rated public schools to prestigious universities like the University of Florida and Florida State University. The state's commitment to education ensures quality learning environments for students. While certain areas like Miami can be expensive, many parts of Florida offer an affordable cost of living. Housing, groceries, and utilities are reasonably priced, making it a great option for families and individuals alike. If you're looking for a state with beautiful weather, a dynamic culture, and endless recreational opportunities, Florida might be the perfect place for you. And finally, rounding out our list is Massachusetts, a state known for its rich history, prestigious educational institutions, and vibrant cultural scene. Massachusetts is home to some of the most prestigious universities and colleges in the world, including Harvard, MIT, and Boston University. Massachusetts boasts a robust economy with key industries in technology, healthcare, finance, and education. The Greater Boston area is a major hub for innovation and research, offering numerous job opportunities and career growth potential. Massachusetts is steeped in American history, from the colonial landmarks of Boston to the historic sites of Plymouth and Lexington. Residents of Massachusetts enjoy a high quality of life. The state's well-maintained public services and clean environment contribute to a comfortable and secure lifestyle. Massachusetts offers a diverse range of natural landscapes, from the picturesque beaches of Cape Cod to the scenic Berkshire Mountains. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy many activities. Located in the heart of New England, Massachusetts provides easy access to other major cities and attractions in the Northeast. Whether you're traveling to New York City, the mountains of New Hampshire, or the beaches of Rhode Island, everything is within reach. If you're seeking a state with top-tier education, a thriving economy, and a rich cultural heritage, Massachusetts is an excellent choice. And there you have it, our top picks for the best states to live in the USA. Each state offers its unique blend of opportunities, lifestyle, and natural beauty, making them all fantastic places to call home. Whether you're looking for a vibrant city, stunning landscapes, or a welcoming community, there's a perfect spot for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which state you think is the best to live in. See you in the next video.